Okay, now we're ready. Let's repeat our first extemporary test at the workshop in this aseptic lab room using the same device. As we can see, the arrow indicates our main forward direction. So let's insert it in the air gun nozzle and proceed. Now, as we expected, we have a regular flow and the candle blows out instantly. So now my colleague has inverted the pipe to see what happens when along the other direction, the flow in the other direction, in the reverse direction. So here we go, proceed. Okay, getting closer, 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 closer. Okay, so the candle doesn't blow out. Pressure and flow undergo a change in values just by inverting the sense of flow. This test confirms the results of our first test.